SlimeGetEm coughs. Power record review. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Last SlimeGetEm reaction I did, I didn't know he had so much hype. Is SlimeGetEm top 3 hottest out of DMV coming up right now? Did that sentence make sense? If you know, let me know. Yeah.
And they want me to fail. Niggas try to ride beef on me being a jail. Niggas see me in person, be tugging they tail. Get on my name, nigga, you know I'm turned. Broken nigga keep saying my name, but he burnt. Went up in 6 months, I can show what I learned. All blue 20,000, I can show what I earned. Nigga, you know I'm the one. Nigga keep dissing and robbing, ain't blowing his gun. Nigga, you know you my son. Nigga, that shit that you doing, I already done. They know I do this for fun. Nigga, I bring up them racks, a whole honey bun. Bitch, I don't play with no drum. Nigga, this 4 auto Swiss, you stuck like some gum. I don't play with no fucking drum, bitch ass nigga. No home keep saying stop buying the mirror. But I got an addiction, this shit getting scared. I bought to a pair, I feel like a fiend. It's that bond number 9, bitch, say I smell clean. I come to the stool and I get off. I come to the stool trying to get off my steam. Get off my steam, nigga. I really get on my steam when I'm in the stool. Niggas hating this shit, I'm just brushing them off. I'm allergic to haters, they making me cold. Alright, hold up. SlimeGetEm, stand tall on my money, I'm like 8 foot tall. Just dropped a new ticket, it's a new 30 ball. I keep buying Rick-Ons, I be wanting them all. They keep saying my name, they want me to fall. And they want me to fail. Niggas try to ride beef on me being a jail. Niggas see me in person, be tugging they tail. I get on my name, nigga, you know I'm turned. Broken nigga keep saying my name, but he broke. Went up in 6 months, I can show what I learned. All blue 20,000, I can show what I earned.
Yo! SlimeGetEm got me wanting to diversify my bag with this one. I'm always looking for opportunities to diversify my bag, because this isn't normally something I would listen to, I feel like, but just feeling the vibe, feeling the energy, I really love the beat. He was sliding on the beat too. Slime was going crazy. This is one that I can add to the playlist and feel good about. A little different vibe for me personally. This is hard. Let me know what y'all thinking about the song in the comments, man. Plugging this into the record review, I'm gonna give it a 4.6 out of 5 stars. Stamp it. Hit that like button if you here. Hit that sub button if you know.